Transparent taskbar, Windows 11. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this updated tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make your Windows 11 taskbar, this bar down here, completely transparent. I'll show you the entire process step by step. So let's get started, folks. Down here, look for the Microsoft Store. If you can't find it, just type Store in the search bar. Then click here on Microsoft Store. Click here to open it. Now folks, click on Apps up here, Apps. And in this search bar, you'll type an application. Let's search for an app. The name is Translucent TV. Click on the magnifying glass and let's install this app, Translucent TV. Just click here and install. It's already installed. Now I'll click Open. Folks, I've already clicked on Open. After you open it, notice how your taskbar down here is already transparent. Just click on Continue here. So now it's up and running, folks. For settings, click down here on the Translucent app to configure your taskbar. There are several options you can adjust here. Did you get it working? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug and God bless. Thanks.